Let's have a review about time. Unsa nang orasa? Alas 12 na. Alauna na. Alas 2 na. Alas 3 na. Alas 4 na. Alas 5 na. Alas 6 na. Alas 7 na. Alas 8 na. Alas 9 na. Alas 10 na. Alas 11 na. Let's have a review. So suppose you're planning to join an island hopping activity and they said that the meetup time is alas 8 sa buntag. What is alas 8 sa buntag? Is it 11 a.m. or 8 a.m.? The correct answer is 8 a.m. Alas 8 sa buntag is 8 a.m. You are invited to a Filipino fiesta and your friend said that food will be ready by alas 10 sa buntag. So you can get in their house by alas 10 sa buntag. So alas 10 sa buntag is it A, 10 a.m. or B, 7 a.m.? The correct answer is 10 a.m. Alas 10 sa buntag is 10 a.m. So you are planning to ask someone for a coffee date and that person said that available siya by alas 4 sa hapon. So what is alas 4 sa hapon? Is it A, 4 p.m. or B, 3 p.m.? The correct answer is 4 p.m. Alas 4 sa hapon is 4 p.m. You are invited by your friend to meet his family. So he said that you can meet his family at alas 7 sa gabi. Alas 7 sa gabi is it A, 9 p.m. or B, 7 p.m.? The correct answer is 7 p.m. 7 p.m. is alas 7 sa gabi. And that's it for today. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!